show that if n is not a multiple of 3, then n squared minus 1 is divisible by 3. Well, our division algorithm states n can take any of these forms: 3q add 1, or 3q add 2. Have a look at my 2 previous videos, and especially the first one, I actually explain what the division algorithm is. But since 3 does not divide n, then 3q is not valid. So this one is not valid, because if 3 doesn't divide n, then n is not a multiple of 3. So we can't have 3q, because these are what are equivalent now to n. N could have either this form, this one, or this one, but this one is ruled out, seeing that n is not a multiple of 3. So now let's go ahead and work out. We have now n equal to 3q add 1, or we have n equal to 3q add 2. So all we have to do now is compute n squared minus 1, which is 3q add 1 squared minus 1, and this gives us 9q squared add 6q add 1 minus 1, which gives us 9q squared add 6q, which factorizes to give us 3 into 3q squared add 2q. So this indicates n squared minus 1 here is divisible by 3. Next we have 3q add 2 squared minus 1. And this is 9q squared add 12q add 4 minus 1. It's 9q squared add 12q add 3. It's 3 into 3q squared add 4q add 1. So in each case here, we have for n here equal to 3q add 1, n squared minus 1 is a multiple of 3, and also for n equal to 3q add 2, n squared minus 1 is also a multiple of 3. So what was shown in each case here of n squared minus 1 has remainder 0 on dividing by 3. In other words, both of these options will give you a multiple of 3, meaning it's divisible by 3. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.